Hello everyone, welcome to our new channel Android Blind World English. We have launched this channel for the visually impaired people who are the English speakers. Today I will show you the new update of Tech Freedom app. So stay with me for watching this new update. Guys, you can find easily this app into Play Store, and you can find also this app link on our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp channel. So guys, join our Telegram channel Android Blind World and follow our WhatsApp channel Android Blind World. And you can get this channel link in the about section of this channel. So let's start the video. Now I am going to open the app.
937 battery level, 82.
My files. WA Business. Translate. Facebook. Gemini. Files. Tech Freedom. One notification.
Okay, Tech Freedom. Here I got it. The app. So let's open it. I am clicking on here.
Tech Freedom.
Okay. Guys, you already know that there are many features here which we used. So I will show you the new update. So let's swipe. I am swiping from left to right.
Home. More options. App backup. Assistant. Cache reader. Document create. Document reader. Image generator. Image reader. Instant reader. Link saver. My player. Notepad. Password saver. Scene description. Text translator. TFAI.
TFAI. I got this option. Now I am clicking on here, and you have to click here also. Okay.
TFAI.
Okay guys, let me tell you one thing. When you open this option, you have to be allowed some permission. Okay. And here in two ways we can start chat with TFAI. Okay.
Back. Chat instead.
Chat instant
Start talking.
and start talking. Here in two ways we can chat with TFAI. Okay. Now I will show you
Chat instead.
this option, chat instant. Okay. So let's see how can we start chat with TFAI into text.
Message. Text box.
Okay, here text box will open. So I have a question. Let me paste here.
Capital M. Mike. Functions menu. Function. Clear. Select. Copy. Append. Paste. Message. Tell me some historical places name in India and Pakistan.
Okay, tell me some historical places name in India and Pakistan. So
Send.
send. Okay, now I want to send this message to TFAI.
Assistant.
Okay, already I sent. So let's swipe.
Back. Assistant. Assistant. Here. Assistant. Here are some notable historical places in India and Pakistan. India. 1. Taj Mahal, Agra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This iconic mausoleum was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. 2. Red Fort, Delhi, a symbol of India's rich history. This fort served as the main residence of the Mughal emperors. 3. Hampi, Karnataka. The ruins of this ancient city, once the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 4. Ajanta and Ellora Caves, Maharashtra, a group of rock-cut caves known for their ancient Buddhist, Hindu, and Jain monuments. 5. Qutub Minar, Delhi, the tallest brick minaret in the world. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcasing Indo-Islamic architecture. Message. Text box.
So guys, hope you understand how can we message with TFAI for asking any question, whatever you want to know from TFAI. Okay. So this is the new update today, and that's all for today. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you enjoy it, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for getting new updates of our video. So meet again with a new video. Until goodbye.